Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Surf Drive in Surfside Beach, Texas. This coastal town is located in Brazoria County along the Gulf of Mexico, about an hour south of Houston. Surfside Beach sits on Follett's Island, a narrow barrier island that helps protect the mainland from the Gulf. The town has a population of around 600 people, though that number grows during weekends and vacation seasons. Surfside Beach was officially incorporated in the year 1959 as a small seaside community. The town developed around beach access, fishing, and coastal living rather than large-scale tourism. Surf Drive runs parallel to the shoreline and is one of the main roads through town, connecting beach homes, public access points, and local services. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Surfside Beach, Texas.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!